In a shocking revelation, the auxiliary nurse who treated the late singer Ilerioluwa Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, Feyi-Sayo Ogedengbe, has described what transpired that led to his demise. Testifying before Justice C.A. Shotobi at the Coroner's Court in Ikorodu, Lagos on Friday, Ogedengbe recounted that after giving Mohbad the injection, he developed goosebumps. His wife Omowumi allegedly described it as a normal response for him. According to the nurse, she was called to treat Mohbad for a court on September 11, 2023. The following day, she administered tetanus, paracetamol, and antibiotics injections. After the third injection, Mohbad reportedly felt nauseous and threw up, leading to weakness and goosebumps. According to the nurse, who arrived at Mohbad's home around 2:30 p.m., found the musician in an upstairs room. Upon entering, she noticed water on the floor, which was reportedly mopped by a person identified as DJ Bami. The nurse administered 3 injections to Mohbad. Before the injections, Mohbad inquired about the types of medication being given. The nurse testified that after the paracetamol injection, Wunmi mentioned that Mohbad had an ulcer. Following the third injection, Mohbad reportedly began reacting negatively, expressing a need to vomit. The nurse recounted that DJ Bami and Wunmi then assisted him to the bathroom, where he did vomit. The nurse claimed Wunmi did not tell her Mohbad usually reacts to injection, and said Wunmi suggested pouring water on Mohbad's head to calm him down, which she proceeded to do. According to the nurse's testimony in court, she claimed she left Mohbad's residence with DJ Bami to obtain an antidote from a pharmacy. After a fruitless search at one pharmacy, they went to another pharmacy. While at the second pharmacy, they received a call informing them that Mohbad was convulsing. The circumstances surrounding Mohbad's death are currently under investigation. Authorities are gathering further information from all parties involved. And while this has generated mixed reactions online, we will continue to monitor this story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.